Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to check your stats in Fallout Shelter. To check your stats in Fallout Shelter, launch open the Fallout Shelter game on your device first, and then once you open up the game, go ahead and tap on the dweller whose stat you want to check. After you tap on the dweller, you will be presented with the information on the left hand side. Here you will see their detailed stats listed as special. S means strength, P means perception, E means endurance, C for charisma, I means intelligence, whereas A means agility, and L means luck. Review the stats to understand where each dweller performs best. This will help you assign them to the right room for maximum efficiency. So that's how you can easily check stats of a dweller in Fallout Shelter. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.